How's it going? My name is Marciem. Purpose of this video is to show a easy, cheap way of building your own camper van, fishing van, whatever you want. What this isn't is a video of how do I live in my van, how do I quit my job, how do I poop in my van. So unfortunately, I don't have the time to give you a step-by-step process of exactly how to do everything. My initial recommendation to you is to go on Facebook Marketplace, look for an old Chevy van with low miles. Those are the best. GMC is also good, and then just take it from there. So I'm currently sitting inside of my van. It's a old 1995 Chevy G20. I got off of Facebook Marketplace for $1,000. It took me 5 months to build it to the van it is today. If you have any questions throughout the video, just comment or slide in my DMs. If you guys choose to do this, I only wish you good luck. The process builds character, and also stay safe during these COVID times. Straight into the van. First thing you guys got to do is just do everything mechanically that you can. I did a full tune-up, fluids change, filter change, and try to stay under my budget, which was going through AutoZone. Just try spending the least amount of money. Everything was done through the inside of this place called the Doghouse right here. Next thing I had to do was everything from the exterior. So luckily I didn't have that much rust, but places that are black, pretty much covered with some surface rust that I took off, grinding, sanding, and then applying some truck bed liner. Around the windows I have sealer, pretty much to prevent water from coming in. When I first got the van, whenever it would rain, it turned into a German U-boat, and that was the only thing that could be prevented. Got the ladder from Junkyard. I got the car carrier off Facebook Marketplace. That was pretty cheap, and then I got a conduit carrier for my fishing rods. This is actually super convenient. It keeps a lot of stuff outside of my van and easy storage and security up top. These rims were a big deal. I actually got them for free. Flew United, they gave up a seat, gave me a $500 gift card, so shout out to United for these. Everything's pretty standard because it's just a 90s van. Steering wheel, we got the Prendle, with the speedometer, 147,000 miles is what I'm currently at right now. With the speed, so topped out at 65. When I'm going 65, it's pretty much like I'm re-entering the Earth's atmosphere. The heat works, but the AC blows hot, so I rely on my vent to blow some hot Georgia air into my face. So this wooden center console actually came with the van. All I did was refurbish it, and it's actually pretty badass. Here's where I keep all my COVID-19 supplies. There's a whole bunch of YouTube videos that show how to do it, where to buy stuff, and how much it's gonna cost. For me, I'm just gonna go over the biggest details with the price tags listed with them so you can check it out for yourselves. So I basically got all of my wood from Home Depot or reclaimed wood that I got off the side of the streets, or pallet wood is what you're looking at. Also with the insulation that's in here, I use Reflectix. Storage was not going to be an issue in my van. So I built this cabinet with basic necessities underneath that I can easily store that won't get in the way. I also built this drawer underneath my bed, which I usually just put clothes, supplies, camping materials, anything that just gets out of the way. Power was a big thing that I really wanted to focus on when having this van. So this van technically isn't really off the grid. I only have one 12-volt battery in there, but it is run off of a solar panel. It's 150 watt from Renogy. After watching a few videos, I understood how the system worked. that pretty much wraps up everything that I've done to the van. What I'm gonna be doing in the future is just still working on a few woodworking projects. I'm still gonna go camping, still gonna go fishing as much as possible. Definitely will be cooking as well. As I said before, I'll try to answer any questions you guys have.